How to connect to Cozmo. First, connect his charger to the power adapter. Then, plug it in. Next, place Cozmo on his charger. You'll know he's turned on when you see the green light. To show Cozmo's Wi-Fi information, you can raise and lower his lift. Head to your device's Wi-Fi settings and look for your Cozmo in the list. You may need to turn your device's Wi-Fi off, then on again to see him in the list. Tap the Cozmo entry and enter the password shown on your Cozmo screen. Remember to use all capitals. Once the connection is established, launch the Cozmo app to begin your experience. Have fun!
Adele, honey, there's a surprise for you.
Surprise!
Hey, sweetie. Meet Miko.
Hello, Miko. You can call me Ed.
Hello, Ed.
Math's tough.
Hey, what are you doing?
Can you help me with my tables?
Tables, furniture with the flat top and...
Oh no, Miko. I meant multiplication tables, like a table of 4.
Sure, 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 3?
15?
7 times 5?
35.
8 times 4?
38. No, 32.
12 times 12?
144.
Good job. It's time to party.
Good dinosaur woke up in the morning.
Hey, he's not a good dinosaur.
Hi, Dad!
Hi, sweetie.
Why isn't he a good dinosaur?
Because he didn't brush his big teeth. Nighty-night.
Bye, Dad. Wow, it's a beautiful rainbow.
What are the colors of the rainbow?
Red,
Orange,
yellow,
green,
blue,
indigo.
violet.
That's absolutely right, Dad.
With conversational learning, teleconnect, privacy eye patch, and an ever-growing host of talents like games, activities, and much more, Miko 2. Open up your child's world.
Hello friend, how are you? Turn left here. Count down to 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, rock. I lost.